All right, let's take a look at some of the changes in Super Factory Manager 4.12. One of the first changes is the template system has been improved. A lot of the examples have been cleaned up, and it now includes a change log. So we'll use this to look at some of the changes. The first is a control space hotkey that will improve the code writing experience by giving more information. So let's use this program and label the inventories. Inside the A chest, we have some ingots, some stones, and some logs. And if we look at what the program is doing, then it's inputting fluid, which does nothing. But if we hit Control Space, we can see and expand this pattern to see all the items or the resources that is going to be matched by the mod. So if we do it on log, we'll see all the logs that it's going to be matching. So this program is taking in one log from A and then inputting everything except logs with no limit from A. So this except keyword is also one of the new features. Having an exclusion list has been something that's been pretty desired. And then the code inspection also works for input and output statements. So if I do it on the input here, it's going to show, it's predicting that it's going to input, again, everything in that chest except the logs. You can also do it on labels. So the A label has one inventory assigned, and within that inventory, we can see the items here, and it gives some code that you can copy and paste if you want, and it shows the slots that it's in. And it repeats this for each direction, because some modded inventories have different behavior for the directions. So that's the code inspection, and then we have the accept keyword, and then the each keyword has been given a new use. So you can use it on inputs and outputs for the limits here. So instead of inputting one ingot total, I can say I want to input one of each type of ingot. So here we have copper, gold, iron, and netherite, but if we look inside the A chest, we have the iron ingots, gold ingots, and copper ingots. So we're going to be inputting one of each type of ingot, except for iron, and then we're going to be moving that to B. So if we leave here and see what's actually happening, the iron is staying, but the other two ingot types are leaving as expected. So we're inputting one of each, and then it's going into the destination. So again, quick summary. The templates have been improved, control space for inspection, using each to modify the inputs for pattern expansion, and then exclusions and some minor stuff like syntax highlighting improvements. So enjoy.